smart trick to complete trigonometric table without knowing any value. Now first we write 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we take square root of each. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is to write root 2, and square root of 3 we write root 3, and square root of 4 is. Now we divide each by 2. What we get? This one is 0, this one is half, this one is 1 by root 2, is root 3 by 2, this is 1. These are the values of sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree respectively. So we write first, in place of 0 degree we write 0, in place 30 degree we write half, in place of 45 degree we write 1 by root 2, and in place of 60 degree we write root 3 by 2, and 90 in place of 90 degree we write 1. Now we write against cos the value of 90 degree in 0 degree 1. Now 60 degree for 30 degree, then for 45 degree write 45 degree 1 by root 2, and for 30 degree we write half, and for 0 degree this one is 0. But now we know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So here we get sin theta and cos theta. So if you divided this one sin theta by cos theta, so 0 by 1 is means 0. By root 3 by 2, then cancel out root 2, then it becomes 1 by root 3. These both are same, so this is 1. In here, is cancel out 2, so it is root 3. Now this is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 we cannot define. So this is, we write not defined. Not defined. Now we write the value of cot theta from 90 degree to 0 degree. In place of 0 degree, we write 90 degree, the value of 90 degree is not defined. Now this one is root 3, this one is 1, this one is 1 by root 3, and this one is 0. Now for sec theta, we know that sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So we just reverse the value of cos theta. Sec theta, this is equal to 1, and this is root 3 by 2, so we write here 2 by root 3. This is 1 by root 2, so this is root 2. This is 2, and this is not defined. Now for cosec theta, we write from 90 degree to 0 degree in this way, and not define this one. This one is 2, this one is root 2, so this one is 2 root by root 3, and this one is. So in this way, you can complete the trigonometric table very easily. We find out here the value of sine. Sine 0 degree is 0, so write here 0, and sine 30 degree is half, so write here half. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2, this one is 1 by root 2, and and sine 60 degree equal root 3 by 2. So this is root 3 by 2 put there, and so now sine 90 degree is 1. Now we just write for the value of cos theta, we just write the value from 90 degree to 0 degree in this way. One, or in place of 0 degree, we write the value of 90 degree of sine theta. So in this way, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, half, and 0. Now tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Everybody knows that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So here sin theta is 0 and cos theta is 1. So tan theta is 0. Similarly, this is 1 by root 2 or root 3. Sorry, 1 by root 3, and this is 1 and root 3, and divide. If we divide 1 by 0, then that we cannot define. So we write not defined. In place of for cot theta, we write again reverse way. And this is first short, this is not defined, so this is not defined. So root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. For sec theta, we know sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So we just reciprocal value of cos theta. So say this is reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 half is 2, and the reciprocal of joint is not defined. Again, for cosec theta, we write in reverse way. This is not defined. 2, 1, root 2, 2 root 3 by 1.